Hi, this is Dr. Deepa Shetty here again, and I'm a health coach. Today we would talk about I have been making series of videos about communication skills and how do you communicate in a relationship. So communication or interaction in a manner which enhances and grow our relationship with our colleagues, with our subordinates, with our loved ones, and with our own self is very important. So let's understand what is the block that creates the communication not go in the direction we would wish to achieve. So the most important part here in that is reaction versus response. Whenever we are having an interaction with anybody, even with our own self, it's important that you understand, are you responding or are you reacting? What is the basic difference between reaction and response is one comes from a very high emotional energy zone, whereas the other comes from a calmer, very calmer and a analyzed logical mind. It's not that the response does not have an emotion out there. It definitely has an emotion out there, but the emotions are not something which are causing any kind of upheaval inside you. The emotions are something which are getting peace inside you and you're responding from that. In that, if you do something, if we interact in this way, not only are we calm, we create a calmer environment and we create calmness in others too. So it's very important that we have this kind of communication, or this way of understanding ourselves and understanding others in our communication to build a very healthy relationship. So reaction usually comes from a survival mechanism, from a defensive mechanism. So when somebody says something, we speak to defend ourselves. We speak because we don't want to blame out there for ourselves. We speak because we want to protect ourselves. So when that comes, that time there is very high energy level. We may get angry, we may get sad because we are hurt the way they have been telling us. There are a lot of reaction, a lot of emotion which comes in, which can raise your system and which can make your system down also. Both way it doesn't help us. It really creates a havoc in terms of physical health, also in terms of mental health. So it's very important you understand. And if you are a person who reacts, then you really give a control on other person's hand, where the person knows, the opposite person knows how to make you react, and that gives a power in that person's hand. And that is how people at times tend to be really taking advantage of that power. See, everyone wants to feel powerful. So if you're reacting, they really know that if I say this person will react, and that's how I'm more powerful. So in a smaller term, you are making somebody else powerful by your emotional appeals. You don't want to do that. I don't think anybody wants to do that. And also, you end up into arguments. You end up into an unproductive discussion, which is not going anywhere. You may feel it a little comfortable in the sense of we have been dealing like this and this was a habit pattern since long, but you really don't feel, at a larger sense, you really don't feel calm within yourself and you really don't like it. So I would suggest that we practice response. Response always takes a minute before it gives any reply to anybody. Response always take a time to calm your system down and not always speak or react to what the other person is saying. It really tries to really understand where the person is coming from and what the person wants to achieve. If the person wants to achieve just a small entertainment in form of making you react, then the response will stop there and not allow his emotional games to go ahead. So response is a very calmer state of mind. A response is a thoughtful um, interaction between two people. So if you have an opposite person who is in the same land, it really creates, you really get into a very fruitful positive interaction. If you are among a people who really knows your cues, then even the response will allow them to see you as a stronger person. So practice response. That's very important to have a positive, fruitful, productive interaction in your life, taking you to the direction you want to go and making you the person who you really are. I don't think anybody wants to be a person somebody who really feels down all the time or angry all the time, or you don't find people around you really supporting your growth. So it's important that you create such relationship which supports your growth and you support their growth and grow together. Response allow you to listen to the person and then give a reply which will make the other person also see that there's no point in discussing something which is not going to get any productivity out there. So practice response. Some of the steps to practice response does not come immediately at that point when you're interacting. It comes well beforehand. When you try to really practice a mindful way of awareness, which requires a breathing pattern where you concentrate on your breathing and get aware of your physical body, which requires releasing tension and letting go of the energies which are not productive to you, which requires you to get aware and attentive of your own thought patterns and letting go of those thought patterns which are creating reaction pattern in you while you are having an interaction with somebody else. So it really requires a mindful awareness to practice response beforehand, or get into a calmer state of mind and get aware of your own thought process, your own belief system, which is making you react. So, response does not make you defend yourself. Response makes you a person who does not require to defend himself or herself anywhere, because they're very strong enough and people see them like that and they never attack you. Response does not come from an attack mechanism. Response comes from a very positive interaction and a growth wise environment. And I hope every one of us wants to achieve that. We will definitely understand it in more greater detail if you really want to know about it. Do let me know in the comment section, and I would really be happy to add some value to your life. Thank you for listening to me. See you all again. Do like, share, and comment. See ya.